Today I have a short video for you of me putting a few parts on my CRF110. I have a new shifter to put on. I figured I could do all this at the same time since it's kind of in the same area of the bike. So obviously the shifter is going to go there. Then I also have a chain guard that I'm going to put on, which is right here. It's made by Faster Minis. And I also have the shift shaft brace, which will go right behind the shifter. I'll start throwing these parts on and see how they look when they're done. I'm going to start with the chain guard, and for the chain guard there is 2 8mm bolts to take out. So we'll take those out first. In order to take the shifter off, there's going to be one 10mm bolt that you just need to loosen up, and the shifter will slide off of there. For the shift shaft brace, now that the shifter's off of there, there's going to be that bolt there, and this one here you'll have to take out. The bolts for the that you'll need to take out for the shift shaft brace are 8mm. You may have to move your foot peg to start loosening them, but pretty easy. The shift shaft brace comes with 2 Allen bolts, and they are 5mm bolts. So we'll go ahead and slide that over the shifter and into place. Now we can start putting our bolts in. And that's in place now. So we can take our shifter now, our new shifter. And I want to try to place it kind of about where it was. And it is also a 5mm. Now that we have both of those installed, we have our new shifter and our shift shaft brace right here. We're going to install our new chain guard right there. And it also comes with 2 Allen bolts, which I think are the same size, 5mm. Now we have everything installed. It kind of gives it a different look to it, but the main thing I really wanted was the shift shaft brace, just to kind of protect it in case I take a spill or two, which we all know is going to happen. But I think the chain guard looks a lot better, and just upgraded the shifter a little bit. Wasn't a very hard install at all whatsoever. I just kind of wanted to show everybody how it went, how it's done, and just gives you a little peace of mind while you're out riding. So we know things are going to break, but hopefully this will prevent major breakages. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helps.